everyone! It's your Korean teacher, Melanie. In lesson 2, Melanie was about to do her 월말평가 that decides whether she can debut or not. In lesson 3, hooray! Melanie has passed the test and she's about to debut. Take a listen to this Korean dialogue.
얘들아, 오늘이 데뷔 쇼케이스야. 잘할 수 있지?
네?
그래, 일단 동선만 맞춰보자. 멜라니, 너가 왜 중앙에 섰어?
네? 제가 리더라서...
야, 네가 센터는 아니잖아. 센터는 막내가 하자.
네? 대표님, 제가 리더인데...
너가 나이가 많은 것뿐이잖아. 왜 이래? 정신 차리자.
Alright, we just listened to a conversation between Melanie, who's rehearsing for her first ever showcase, her company CEO, and the other trainee that she's debuting with. Did you understand what they were saying? No? That's alright. We'll go over the key expressions together one by one. Number 1, 쇼케이스. This is the Korean pronunciation of showcase. In K-pop, a showcase refers to an event held to perform a debut or comeback song in front of an audience for the first time. So it's the first official promotion of a new song. Usually, there are 2 showcases held in a row. First, there's the media showcase. Journalists come to take pictures and ask questions. Based on that, they write articles on the new song as soon as it is released. Around 2 hours later, the fan showcase is held. This time, the group performs once again, but for their fans. Getting a ticket for these events can get really competitive, but even if a fan doesn't get a ticket, she can still enjoy the whole show online because showcases are usually live streamed. Number 2, 동선. This is a tricky one to explain because there is no corresponding term in English, but it means a person's designated route. 동 here means movement and 선 means line. So it's sort of this invisible line that you need to tread on when walking or dancing on stage. It's where you need to position yourself. So in this context, it means where everyone needs to stand. Usually, the more popular members stand in the front center and the less popular ones stand in the back or on the side, so 동선 can be a sensitive issue. Number 3, leader. This is the Korean pronunciation of leader. In K-pop, a leader of the group takes the role of a class president. The leader keeps the group in order and harmony. If someone in the group does something wrong, like not learning the dance moves in time or acting out, it's the leader that gets scolded in representation of the team. And if the group wins an award, the leader is the first person to give a thank you speech. For this reason, a leader feels a bigger sense of responsibility than the rest of the team. A leader is usually the oldest member of the group because in Korean culture, the older you are, the more respect you get. Being a leader can be a good title to get more people to remember you in the beginning, but it doesn't necessarily make you the most popular one in the group. Number 4, 센터. This is the Korean pronunciation of center. If you're a center of a K-pop group, it means you always stand in the center when posing with the rest of the group, because you're the most popular and best-looking member. In other words, a center is at the center of attention. From debut, the company has in mind who to promote as a center. But sometimes a different member turns out to attract more attention from the public. If that's the case, the company switches the member they focused on and promotes that girl as the center. It is a K-pop group strategy to first focus on making the center famous and then use that flame making the group's name known, and then take turns promoting the rest of the members. For example, Yuna is the center of Girls' Generation and Karina is the center of aespa. Number 5, 막내. This means the youngest member in a team. These days, international fans like to romanize a word and just say 막내 because there's no corresponding English word for it. 막내 originally means the youngest sibling in the family, but it's used in work as well. For example, if you're the youngest employee at a Korean company, they might call you 막내. Okay, now let's listen to the dialogue once again with the translations.
얘들아, 오늘이 데뷔 쇼케이스야. 잘할 수 있지?
네.
그래, 일단 동선만 맞춰보자. 멜라니, 너가 왜 중앙에 섰어?
네? 제가 리더라서.
야, 네가 센터는 아니잖아. 센터는 막내가 하자.
네. 대표님, 제가 리더인데.
너가 나이가 많은 것뿐이잖아. 왜 이래? 정신 차리자.
That's it for lesson 3. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!